Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more exhausting than sitting in a gorgeous, five-star hotel room in Maui, looking out at the ocean, while you're silently sobbing because your newborn won't latch and your nipples are on absolute fire. You packed the designer diaper bag, you booked the first-class seats, but breastfeeding is turning into a total nightmare. Today, we are spilling the tea on a massive debate for modern moms, splurging on a private lactation consultant versus trying to figure it out all by yourself. Is hiring an expert a bougie luxury, or is it the ultimate game changer for your sanity and your next vacation? Let's get into it. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a mom doesn't mean you have to stop traveling, taking vacations, or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need a solid support system. Let's start with the reality of trying to figure it out alone. Sure, you could spend hours scrolling through random mom blogs, watching conflicting videos late at night, and stressing yourself out while your partner sleeps peacefully. But let's be honest. Your time is money, and your peace of mind is completely priceless. When you splurge on a top-tier private lactation consultant, you are not just paying for someone to watch your baby latch. You are investing in a bespoke, personalized strategy tailored exactly to your body, your baby, and your lifestyle. Think of it like hiring a private jet instead of flying commercial. It gets you straight to the destination without the chaotic turbulence. An expert can spot a tongue tie in seconds, correct your positioning, and save you weeks of agony. If you want to actually enjoy your upcoming beach vacation instead of hiding in the hotel room with an ice pack, getting professional help early is the ultimate power move. Now, let's talk about the ultimate luxury travel hack, virtual concierge lactation support. Many high-end consultants offer 24/7 text support and digital consultations. Imagine being at a luxury resort in Cabo, noticing a clogged duct, and instead of panicking or hunting down a local clinic, you simply FaceTime your private consultant from your poolside cabana. They can walk you through exactly how to adjust your wearable pump, like your LV or Willow, so you can clear the clog and get right back to your vacation. They will tell you exactly how many ounces you should be expressing and how to maintain your supply while changing time zones. That is not just healthcare, that is VIP luxury care. Finally, let's talk gear, because a great consultant is a total game changer for your high-end setup. They don't just help with latching, they optimize your entire pumping routine for travel. They will measure your flange size perfectly so you aren't in pain during a long flight, and they will help you map out how to use tools like the CS Jill inside your Prada tote. They teach you how to efficiently pump in the airport lounge so you don't waste a single drop of liquid gold. Whether you splurge on an in-home visit or a premium digital package, investing in professional breastfeeding education is worth every single buck. It is the difference between surviving motherhood and absolutely thriving in it. If you loved these tips, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.